no deal, but with the married. A family of 4 go first see like 2 loaves of bread. Because they will come fry. Money go out there, go out see as I do. Go they chop 2 loaves of bread. And you and this one share now. Enjoy yourself. This life is very short. Man, enjoy. Forget those people. They gather. They cruise car. They enjoy. In fact, man, I clap for myself. Clap for yourself. It is good to be poor sometimes. Make I let you know something.
My brother,
he get the time where my oga, because I not TV I dey repair. So my oga tell me, say make I go somewhere for my key. Make I go check whether you get one of the customer when they call and they might go meet and might know whether the guy go release the TV from me with in contact. I can't go there, wait, call the guy. The guy directs me, enter somewhere. Where I eat my gala and granite. Yes. Gala and granite now. I'm waiting my money if you buy that time. I want to do gala and granite. Yes, gala and granite. So as I did there, they eat them. I go there. I start go. Behold, I just turn my no who they there. Man, nobody I go wrong, no. Just change position. I go see 2 madmen. They go there, they talk. Their talk self can they make sense. I don't know whether I can they join them mad or I they try to know whether they don't they recover from their madness. Because the other one they tell the other one, they, I mean, is he done the mad now? Don't tell I say, at 3 years old, you're better now. I mean, after 5 years. In fact, you this madness never tell you. Say, do you know, say, don't tell me, you. Me say, don't tell me, which time self God go heal us? I don't look, which time God go heal you now? For now, don't know, see, God, they heal. I don't supposed to recover small. Now I can't shift to go there, small. Man, know that I go there, but I don't recover, but I don't know. So, as I want to trust them, one man just tell me, wait, do the rush now. I mean, I help one, put that, go help. I go there, they come, they talk. The next thing, the other one come, they ask a fellow madman, say, okay, I go to him now. How you tell me, how you take me for life? And the other one come, they tell him, say, as I do like this, get one man, and they see people go party, they go park jeep like this before I go, they don't enter, come outside. Go, before you know, they do well. I won't go, as I do like this now, I won't go there. I go cut my head, give a man and do sacrifice. The other one they say, okay, if you do sacrifice now, how you go take enjoy the money? Say I go enjoy him now. How you want to take enjoy him when you don't die? Say I'm not gonna die now. You, my friend, if I will cut your own computer for my own, use them. Go find my head well lost. Then I will come bring them back. I will give you the head, come put my own back. I want to go on the chair the money. She will with him, man. Now she say, all these people know they okay. But I go about the aura. I go there for one youth program like that. They go they talk. One girl come say why some house of prayer guys know they like to marry house of prayer girls. Louder. So, as he asked that question, well, I talk the one where I talk that side, but I can't go out and think this girl, let's point. I can't they think this thing. I can't come to a conclusion. Well, I know they give answer. Don't get me wrong. I'm not giving answer to a question. No, I'm only advising. If you know, be say go favor you, but I'm only advising for that question because. As the question land, I give the one way come that time. I can't go inside spirit. They're going to interpret some kind of thing for me. I can't come into conclusion of my advice. Say, now them they cause me.
somehow. Why? Because,
well, if you know what they think of elders, you know what they think of, as a small boy, I talk with my own mentality. So, I don't come to the conclusion, say, we go there for service. Service go, they go on. Celebrate. Girls go come for boys, sit, go dance. Go back, come back, dance. When it come to the time where they go share saraka, then at that time you go not say they go come to select people. You go tell them, but as boys you go there, no man. After night, your man never give me food now. Come now, never give me food. You say I never give mothers. Nothing is wrong there. I don't get any problem. We never give mothers, Abi. You go share for all the elderly people. You go reach our turn. We will know say now we go marry you. You go come reach our turn. We be say you won't come give us food. I just take out. You go come give us food without meat. We go come they ask you, why, sister, come. Why be say meat no dey my food now? Politely we go say, meat don't finish. Say meat don't finish now. If you don't give this boy main whole am now, they give you food, self. No they do you do it for me. Give you food. Take. Before they take. I'll give you the person. I'll give you the person. What you know? Bam. You go one day where you day. See now. You gave them food without meat. Now the way I take my own perspective. Now they gave you after you rice without meat. They're gonna give you relationship without marriage. Draw. No verse say and no talk as they expect. But mothers, there is one thing where everybody they talk about now. No be say they be like complain. They be like complain. You go see Oyibo women after just seeing their child for maybe term don't finish a new term. When they buy new books, you go there something like, John, please come. Now you're about to go to school, okay? Be a good boy. Do not fight. And look at Sam, he's a bully. Don't play with that guy. Don't play with the boy. Say yes, Mo. I've heard what you said. Chicken, now. Good advice for as the speaking they go, but come my mother's gone. As you they go, tell your uniform here. They're gonna write no copy you here. Before you go, food go down you here. Not them now. Not them. Secondly, this one a general problem. Everybody know. You go come. Your mom is gonna tell you, okay, bring the money. I will help you save them. Bring them. I will help you keep them. Bring them. I will help you save them. Then at the end of the day, they'll go meet you, mommy. I beg that money why they save your hand. I beg. Even educated drink bobo. I want drink bobo. Then go on the tell you see the clothes where they buy for you. Where you think say the money they come from? How many times they how will they consign me? I tell you may buy clothes for me. Have I ever tell you to buy clothes for me? Now go just they use our money anyhow. After I go say and then the pikin know the one green save on my hand. Then they go save outside. When they bring them out, you go say there's one stealer. A stealer from your purse. A big kissy with all in a way. In a way gonna save. A go making a save. Ego. Honestly, Ego. It's my money. You are saving. Well, before I go, I just want to ask one question. What shall it profit a man to soak garri, granite, sugar, shower fish by the side? As you did, make you take 1 spoon, put for mouth. You can't wake up. It was only but just a dream.
Heartless.
It's so heartless. It's a born chest. It's a born chest. You get one sister who I don't the that's time. If then give me permission, I will go there, bring her out, introduce her, show her to you people, and do this thing. Because number one, pastors they here.
Yes.
My brothers they there.
Yes.
My friends they there. The girl they here. I they here. Church, holy matrimony. What are these stuff to cleave two Hebrews together? See, now my enter for owner side. I beg owner in the name of the God who is serve. Anytime where you know say you won't go show and you can hear say a new Afrobeat song come outside with all beggings, I beg you, no listen to that song. Go that show, then come back. Then if you listen to the song, because this thing don't make me lose contract of better money. I did when I did stage like this, they perform. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior, great in battle. Jehovah is your name. The next thing will come up from my mouth now. Bola Legati boyfriend, boy they misbehave. He get it, but how we take it down my mouth? Yeah, no. The bishop one they say, so this is the people you bring to the church. To come and sing Zantan for us. How the bishop they know sing a Zantan singer? I don't know. I sing they talk, they shout for me, they shout for me, they shout for me, they shout for me, they shout. Now they be everything. After all said and done, I can't come back, come to my senses. After all the pain too much, I can't tell them my friends. Say, I tell one of my female friends, say, you think they do me for that church, I don't like them. He said, don't worry, I'll take you to my church. You go and do for them. What is in that church? That you are bigger than that church now. I can't go their church. I don't forget. Say this is their church. Now, typical Igbo people will just come back, they escape from village. They're going to use idea. Thank God. From the thanking of God, they're going to find serious, change them to church. Then from there, everything can they go sell and say,
hello, schoolboy.
Hello,
schoolboy, what are you doing here?
Is something wrong with you?
Please, schoolboy, don't insult me when I'm in public, please.
What is it?
Well, I came to ask you a question. It can come out in your exam.
Can come out in my exam?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, what's the update?
Schoolboy, can you tell me, are you listening?
If I know the lesson, now we can't tell.
Schoolboy, can you tell me the meaning of division of labor?
Simple. Division of labor is whereby a woman is in labor. And the doctors and nurses are busy saying, oh yeah, madam, push. Well, that thing will come pain the doctor because the beginning will do in and out center. Then the doctor will come back and say, oh yeah, madam, open gate. If you begin no Greek, give me this lap. Papa, do you know the kind of doctor I am? I'm a rocket doctor. Nobody can do anyhow in this hospital. No baby can mess up in this hospital that I am like this. What are you telling me? Don't talk about. I won't let you know understand something. Before I go, I just speak something so that everybody will go. The reason we make I like come my church, but I can't go churches for outside. The kind of treats where they can't they give, can't they advance. I go church, I did. Nah, service don't they go on. After one preach first one, preach second one. The thing can't they bite me for body. I mean, well, let's be going. Even the boys will follow me sit down, will be sitting down there, remember. And they say, oh, nah, this pastor is taking too long. We've already told him, maximum. What you 30 minutes preaching is good for a good listener. Now, then the girl who's waiting there, when they observe, say, what is our boys? Their face is changing, you know, and when their face change, you will not be able to position well for them. Then they're going to give pastor sign. The boys are facing, you have to cut this thing. After you say we are not getting married, you have to cut this thing. And as they come cut her, I just did here. I balance. 9. As they finish service, like they call the share Sanaka. They call them me love.
So this is where you are. This is where you are. If they did not come, Kisa, you buy from Shibi, you beba. Hallelujah. What are you doing here?
Who invited this woman to start?
You think I don't know that they are doing Hallelujah program? You cannot even invite me. You are a bad child.
How, Mama? I'm trying to understand. Who invites you to this program?
I invite myself.
You invite me. No, so why are you here?
You are asking me. Give me the mic.
What do you mean?
Give me the mic. Give me the mic. House of Prayer International. Experience spiritual excellence.
So talk now.
What? I don't want to talk. I don't have anything to talk. I just want to hold my.
Why are you leaving me here?
Hello, please put your hands together for school.